out in the vastness of the cosmos, where time stretches over billions of years and distances boggle the mind, an epic battle is unfolding. Two mighty galaxies, massive islands of stars, gas, and dark matter, are locked in an incredible cosmic collision. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the drama of the Antennae Galaxies, the ultimate celestial showdown, where galaxies clash, stars are born, and the fate of the universe takes a bold step forward. Located 45 million light-years from Earth, in the quiet depths of the Corvus constellation, the Antennae Galaxies are anything but peaceful. What you're witnessing here isn't just a collision, it's an intergalactic war billions of years in the making. Once upon a time, these galaxies, NGC 4038 and NGC 4039, were serene spiral galaxies, similar to our Milky Way. But gravitational destiny had other plans, pulling them together in a cosmic dance of destruction and creation. As these two galaxies crash into each other, their once elegant spiral arms stretch into monstrous antennae-like structures. These are tidal tails, vast streams of stars and gas flung outwards by the immense gravitational tug-of-war. Picture it, stars, gas, and dust are thrown into chaos. Their collisions unleash shockwaves that compress gas clouds, igniting them like cosmic fireworks. This chaos creates starburst regions, areas where millions of stars are born in a single moment. In the heart of this galactic collision lies something spectacular: star nurseries. Imagine vast stellar factories creating thousands of stars each second. Massive, short-lived stars burn fiercely, only to explode in colossal supernovae, scattering heavy elements into the universe. But with creation comes destruction. As the galaxies merge, black holes awaken, devouring material and spewing out energy. This is a place where stars are born and destroyed just as quickly. Hidden beneath the glowing regions of the Antennae Galaxies is a ferocious energy. X-rays reveal superheated gas at millions of degrees, material that's been shredded by gravitational forces or heated during violent collisions. And deep in their cores lie the ultimate monsters, supermassive black holes. One day, these titanic forces will merge, unleashing a burst of energy so powerful it could ripple through the fabric of spacetime itself. This chaotic ballet won't last forever. In about 1 billion years, the two galaxies will fully merge into a single elliptical galaxy, a far cry from their original spiral shapes. Stars will settle into new orbits, and the galactic cores will fuse into one. But this isn't just the story of destruction. It's also a story of creation. The Antennae Galaxies remind us that even in the most violent events in the cosmos, beauty and rebirth are inevitable. Why should we care about this galactic battle happening 45 million light-years away? Because it's a glimpse into our future. In about 4 billion years, our Milky Way will collide with its neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, in a similarly epic event. The Antennae Galaxies are a time machine, showing us the fate of our own cosmic neighborhood. And beyond that, studying these galactic collisions teaches us how the universe evolves, from chaotic beginnings to the formation of the magnificent galaxies we see today. The Antennae Galaxies are a testament to the power, beauty, and chaos of the cosmos. In their destruction, they create life, a never-ending cycle that defines the very fabric of our universe. So next time you look at the night sky, remember, out there, far beyond the stars we can see, galaxies are colliding, stars are being born, and the story of the universe is unfolding in ways more dramatic than we could ever imagine.